Can't tell me nothing about this playboy. Can't tell me nothing about this flow.
Crank Lucas be cranking.
About this weed, about these drugs. I got my homie pocket here, you know. DD, baby. D.I.G. is the illest, my flow's the chillest. You can't kill us, I die hard like Bruce Willis. I make that Hudson Hawk scene. When Desert Eagles out the Regal, have you leaving here with wings? You know you can't touch us. My clique is the toughest. My basket rubs the blushes. My chick is the duchess. Her lips are so luscious with flavor. I made her swallow my kids like a hungry alligator.
When we ride on bitch sneakers, we coming to kill it. Blasting on fools, the fucking the thug spirit is you with me. I hope to hear you say you feeling it. My mother Cedar was rooted to be a militant. They tried to set me up and rob me of my freedom. People turn their back, call me a stranger, is how they treat me. But I'm reincarnated, now I'm posing as a threat. But the bless on every one of them haters till none is left.
The most dangerous, turn you hot wing niggas in the angel dust. Notorious, all about the paper, on the caper, like a player from the Himalaya. Romy Rome is what I call the chromey chrome. Aiming at your dome if you try to break into my crib like Home Alone. Who shot ya? Put the pliers on your nets and shot ya. Only electricians could save you, fuck a doctor.
I got war wounds all across my chest. I can't wait to meet the president. Live in the flesh to ask him as a leader if he really listening. They still don't got clean water reflecting Michigan. When we ride, I got instruction. Got hoochie hoes and hood rats hopping in and out of the Tesla. And you know it's all love with your face, man. Cause you can't spell thug without a hug.
Cartagena, hey the big boss Cartagena, welcome. Hey my friend, hey listen to me. I understand rap, welcome to mi país. Hey the big boss, my color, welcome to Cartagena. Hey the big boss en la cena. Hey, what are you from, kid? What are you from? Hey, the big boss, my friend, my Wakanda forever. Listen, bro, listen. Hey my friend, my color family, so se cumplí, vuelvo a la serie, listen to mi talento, playa. Mi talento, playa, nobody be happy, you are the happy. Hey, listen to me, my friend, we are the happy. Pues Cartagena, vacilalo como suena. My Bobby, Big Bobby, Big Bobby, Big Bobby. Let's go. You better know I'm from upstate. I'm looking for some I make money and I let you go. So leave me alone. It's about to go because I'm trying to get my baby. No, yeah, pero pussy. You want to pussy? There is pussy. And it's your pussy. You're the mini pussy. I like get the pussy. I can come back and I'm with the Jerry pussy.
Need stitches from the doctor. I belly helicopters, tell them get to the chopper. Heart proper. DC honeys, I'll take two. Have some HOEs down to HU. Make you wanna say fuck it and enroll. Having a menage a five with vogue. Niggas know I smoke the blunts, tote the guns. Niggas try to roll on, son. I blow the pump, asking for action. The magnum will blast them. I smoke on your grave, pussy ashes, the ashes.
Forbes got a list of everything Jay buys, and haters gonna say this verse is AI. But the answer is a sixer. Like Iverson, I crossed over, work from Philly to Denver. Used to sell crack rock on these Brooklyn steps. To Rockefeller stepped it up to the Brooklyn Nets. J-Hove got $1 billion in pesos. Change clothes, put a CEO suit on and change roles. You could sell 1/3 of the label, I'm literally Hove. I'm the highest in the Holy Trinity, young